हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू द यूट्यूब चैनल इंग्लिश ओवर द मोबाइल फ़ोन। मैं रवि तितलिया आपके लिए लेकर रहा हूँ टॉप 25 इंग्लिश वोकैबुलरी वर्ड्स विच विल बी वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर यू टू enhance your English vocabulary as well as your English fluency. So let's start with the first word, freedom. It means swatantrata. The second word is sacrifice. It means त्याग करना. The third word is freedom fighter. It means swatantrata senani. The fourth word is martyrdom. It means shahadat. The fifth word is salute. It means salam. The sixth word is flag. It means zanda. The seventh word is national song. It means Rashtriya Geet. The eighth word is national anthem. It means Rashtragan. The ninth word is patriotism. It means Desh Prem. The 10th word is march. It means parade. The 11th word is democracy. It means Loktantra. The 12th word is traitor. It means Gaddar. The 13th word is constitution. It means Samvidhan. The 14th word is proud. It means Garv. The 15th word is declared. It means Ghoshit. The 16th word is enthusiasm. It means Utsah. The 17th word is speech. It means Bhashan. The 18th word is custom. It means Rivas. The 19th word is justice. It means Nyay. The 20th word is prosperity. It means Samriddhi. The 21st word is dedication. It means Samarpan. The 22nd word is integrity. It means Akhandata. The 23rd word is host. It means Fahrana. The 24th word is troop. It means Sena. The 25th and last word is soldier. It means Sainik. So guys, thank you for watching the video. Please like, subscribe and share the video for more videos.